Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 1, OV 34. पुढती वंतु जन्मदाती पोसिले जिने मजप्रती स्वयं कष्टोनी अहोराती उपकार किती आठवो. Now I bow down to the one who gave me birth, that is Mother, who cared for me and took pains day and night. How many of her obligations can I remember now? बाळपणी गेली त्यागुनी कष्टे सांभाळी पितृव्यपत्नी ठेवितो भाळ तिचे चरणी हरिस्मरणी निरतजी. She left me when I was a child, and my paternal aunt took the trouble to bring me up with great forbearance. I rest my forehead at her feet, who was all the time engrossed in the remembrance of Hari. अवघ्याहुनी ज्येष्ठ भ्राता अनुपम जयाची सहोदरता मदर्थ जीव प्राण वेचिता चरणी माथा तयाचे. I lay down my forehead at the feet of the eldest brother of matchless brotherly affection, who would have laid down his own life for my sake. आता नमुश्रोते जन प्रार्थितो आपुले एकाग्र मन आपण असता अनवधान समाधान मज कैचे. Now I bow down to the listeners and request their concentration. If they are inattentive, how will I get satisfaction? श्रोता जव जव गुणज्ञ चतुर कथा श्रवणार्थी अति आतुर तव तव वक्ता उत्तरोत्तर प्रसन्नांतर उल्हासे. Whenever the listeners are intelligent and appreciative and are eager to listen to the narration, then, by and by, the narrator becomes more and more enthusiastic. आपण जरी अनवधान काय मग कथेचे प्रयोजन म्हणून करीतो साष्टांग वंदन प्रसन्न मन परिसावे. If you are inattentive, then what is the purpose of this narration? Therefore, I prostrate myself and beg of you to listen with a joyful heart. नाही मज व्युत्पत्ती ज्ञान नाही केले ग्रंथ पारायण नाही घडले सत्कथा श्रवण हे पूर्ण आपण जाणता. I have no knowledge of the etymology, nor am I well versed in the scriptures. Neither have I heard various holy tales. You are fully aware of all this. मीही जाणे माझे अवगुण जाणे माझे मिहीनपण परी करावया गुरुवचन ग्रंथ प्रयत्न हा माझा. I know my own shortcomings and I know my unworthiness. Yet, to fulfill my promise to the Guru, I am making these efforts to write the book. माझेची मन मज सांगत की मी तुम्हा पुढे तृणवत परी मज घ्यावे पदरात कृपावंत होऊनी. My conscience tells me I am like a blade of grass before you, but please accept me as your own by being merciful to me. आता करू सद्गुरु स्मरण, प्रेमे वंदू तयाचे चरण, जाऊ काया वाचा मने शरण, बुद्धी स्फुरण दाता जो. Now I recall the Sadguru, bow down to his feet with love, and surrender my body, speech, and mind to him, who is the giver of wisdom and inspiration. जेवणार बैसता जेवावयास, अंती ठेवितो गोड घास, तैसाची गुरुवंदन सुगरास, घेऊनी नमनास संपवू. Just as when we sit for meals, the sweet dish is served at the end. In the same way, I make obeisance to the Guru as a sweet ending to my prostrations.